Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal ID to receive money. Your PayPal ID is simply the email address or phone number linked to your account. To receive funds, you just share this information with the person sending you money. They will then use it to send the payment directly to your PayPal balance. It's a straightforward process, ensuring your funds arrive safely and efficiently. Remember, accuracy is key when sharing your details. To confirm your PayPal ID, simply log into your account, either on the website or through the mobile application. Once logged in, head over to your profile or settings area. Here, you will find all the email addresses and phone numbers currently registered to your account. It's crucial to double-check that the contact information you share is indeed active and correctly linked to your PayPal, preventing any payment delays or issues. Beyond simply sharing your email, PayPal offers a convenient request money feature. This allows you to send a formal request or an invoice directly to the sender. You can specify the exact amount, for example, $50, and the currency you wish to receive. This method provides a clear record of the transaction and helps avoid any confusion about payment details. It's especially useful for business transactions or when you need to ensure precise payment amounts. When receiving money, always double-check the email address or phone number you provide to prevent any mistakes. Also, be mindful of potential fees, particularly for international transfers, which might incur a small percentage, perhaps around 2 to 5%, depending on the region. For business-related payments, PayPal's dedicated invoicing tools offer a professional and organized way to request and track your funds, ensuring smooth and transparent transactions every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.